In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and signing into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the left side and click Design to start a new project. Next, choose the type of design you want to place the QR code on. In many cases, a logo-sized design works well if you just want a simple QR code graphic, but you can also use a flyer, poster, business card, or any other layout depending on where the code will be used. The important part is to create a canvas first, because the QR code will be added directly into that design. Once the design editor opens, look over to the left sidebar. This is where Canva keeps tools, elements, and add-on features. Scroll down in that panel and click Apps. If your screen size is smaller, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Now you'll see a search bar inside the Apps section. Type QR code into the search box. This helps you quickly find Canva's QR code generator instead of browsing through all available apps. When QR code appears in the results, click it. This opens the QR code tool inside your design. Depending on your Canva version, the panel may show a field for a website link and sometimes style options as well. At this point, you'll need the link you want the QR code to open. Copy the full URL for your website, landing page, form, menu, social profile, or any other page you want people to visit. Then go back to Canva and paste that URL into the QR code field on the left side. If Canva shows style or pattern options, choose the one you like best. This changes the visual look of the code while keeping it functional. Just keep in mind that very decorative styles can sometimes be harder to scan, so it's usually best to choose a clear, simple option, especially for beginners. After entering the link, click the button to generate or add the QR code. In some Canva layouts, this may appear as Generate Code, and in others, you may see a button like Save or a similar action. Once you click it, the QR code should appear on your design canvas. Now you can click and drag the QR code to reposition it. You can also resize it by dragging a corner handle. Try not to stretch it unevenly from the sides, because that can make it harder to scan. If you want it larger or smaller, always resize from the corners to keep the proportions correct. Once that's done, take a moment to check the design. Make sure the QR code has enough contrast against the background. A dark code on a light background is usually the safest choice. Also, leave a little empty space around it so phone cameras can detect it more easily. If everything looks good, go to the top right and click Share. This opens Canva's export options so you can save your finished design. From there, click Download. Then choose the file type you want. PNG is a good choice for most uses because it gives you a clear image, while PDF can work well for printing. After that, click Download again if Canva asks for confirmation. Once the file finishes downloading, it's a good idea to test the QR code before you use it publicly. Open the image on your screen or print a sample, then scan it with your phone's camera. If it opens the correct link, you're all set, and that's how you create a QR code in Canva. Thanks for watching.